Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, and I'm in my favorite spot, the R&D facility here in Coldwater, Michigan. And we're getting to do something this week and today that we didn't get to do last year. And that's some Easter Jeep Safari prep and talk about some exciting things going on here at JKS Manufacturing. Speaking of Easter Jeep Safari prep, we got old Clifford up here on the rack. And one of the first things you'll notice is this Crawltech bumper setup. Obviously housing our warm winch. You can't go off-road without the warm winch. So really excited about the Crawltech brand and getting a look at that on Clifford. Another thing are these 37 1250 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires. I love these tires on my personal rigs. Really excited to get them on Clifford here, get them aired down and get to play them. Speaking of airing them down, we needed a new set of bead locks. Dirty Life stepped up with these awesome bead locks. The JKS Manufacturing race car, the BDS suspension race car, where a lot of us are running on Dirty Life bead locks. These things are tough and durable. So we're excited to get them out on the trails and abuse them and test out all these new toys. So no Jeep prep would be complete without maybe unveiling a new Jeep. If you want to check this thing out, we'll be at Dixie 4-Wheel Drive almost all week, but for sure on Tuesday and Wednesday for the vendor show. We're enjoying this new one with some extra lug nuts. And while new Jeep builds and updates to our other Jeeps are really fun and something we enjoy doing, something we're really excited about here is a new website at jksmfg.com. So checking out the new website, obviously, sign up for our newsletter, find out what we have going on. You can check in with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But take a look at this new website. We're really excited about this. We've kind of got a home for you guys to come and check out, you know, not only Jeep products that we make, but kind of the Jeep lifestyle in general. You know, you can scroll through and see some upgrades. We could talk about J-rated lift kits. Maybe you got your first Jeep and you're looking for a place to check out those first Jeep mods. You know, this is a great spot to stop in, see all of our products, you know, get pricing, get information, and of course, you can chat with an expert at any time as well. So stop on over to jksmfg.com and check out the brand new website.